In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enlarge candles in TradingView, so you can get a more detailed view of your charts and make more informed decisions. Whether you're trying to examine minor price movements or simply prefer a larger display, these techniques will help you customize your chart view with ease. Let's dive into some simple methods that can make a big difference in your trading experience. First, let's talk about the most intuitive method using your mouse scroll wheel. Start by hovering your cursor over the time scale, which is located at the bottom of your TradingView chart. This scale displays the dates and times, making it the ideal place to manipulate the horizontal spacing. By scrolling your mouse wheel forward, you'll zoom in to enlarge the candles, providing a closer look at each price movement. If you find yourself needing more context or a broader overview, simply scroll backward to zoom out and reduce the size of the candles. It's a versatile tool that offers you control over how much detail you wish to observe at any given time. Now, let's explore another handy technique that involves your keyboard. This method is particularly useful if you want to focus on a specific section of your chart. Begin by holding down the Control key on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or the Command key if you're using a Mac. Once you've got your finger on the key, point your mouse cursor toward the area of the chart that you wish to enlarge. With your cursor in the right spot, use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in or out. This combination of keys allows you to target specific segments, offering precision when you need it most. Finally, let's discuss how you can adjust the chart without using the scroll function. Maybe you're familiar with the resize icon when dragging windows or images on your computer. Here's how you can apply that concept to your TradingView chart. Start by moving your mouse cursor to the timescale at the bottom of your chart. You'll notice your cursor changing into a resize icon, indicating that you're ready to adjust the chart's width. Click and drag the timescale to the right. This action will expand the chart horizontally, causing the candles to appear larger. It's an effective way to make the candles stand out without altering your zoom level. Using these methods will enable you to customize your TradingView experience, ensuring that you can focus on the data most important to you. Remember, whether you're using the scroll wheel or adjusting the timescale, each method provides you with flexibility in analyzing your charts. Try them out and find the one that fits your style best. Happy charting, and may your trades be as clear as those perfectly sized candles.